Every season I'm ballin'. Brody walk down like he Kimbo. He hopping out the little shots out the window. I'm from the 2 drippin' sound like Lorenzo. Little nigga Glock when he make him look tenfold. He posted up on the back strip, flipping that work. He do semis and front flip. We put your bro on the run list. Soon as that work coming in and touchdown, I'ma punt it. It's gone.
What's up, everyone? Back with a new YouTube video. As you can see, I got the C100 in the back. But pretty much, I want to bring back the pedal bikes like I was telling y'all. I know it's a terrible time, like it's gonna be cold, so I won't be riding as much, but I'm gonna show y'all as much as I can of me riding pedal bikes and everything like that. But the first things first, I do want to sell this bike, so I'm gonna remove all the crappy stickers that are all cut up and stuff. So pretty much, I'm gonna break this bike back down to stock, and y'all are gonna be with me while I do that. I gotta heat this up to take off these stickers. And what I mean by crappy stickers is you see it all just scratched up and everything like that. So I figured it would be better just to remove them. Let's see. My hand is cut and I put it on the thing and that hurt. Shit hurt. I'm not even showing y'all what I'm doing. My fault. Look, but I'm a little not paying attention. I feel like this is gonna be a pain just because of all the scratches and stuff on the stickers. I don't feel like this is gonna be easy. All these scratches are really from the plane. That's really what it is. Like, when they have your bike, they don't care because it's not their shit. Don't throw that shit. Like, damn. Yeah, damn. Definitely flipping the bike is gonna be way easier. I don't know why I didn't think of that in the first place. Good that I have this protective covering on the stickers though, because it's gonna save the frame from a lot of scratches. Yo, I should really just use more heat. I'm just being lazy. Like every time, should just peel off in little ass things. Alright, I haven't been recording because it's way easier without recording, but you can see if my hand not in the way. Almost. Look. good shit, but yes sir. Yes sir. Alright, got that. Might as well just take that off. But see, taking these off now. As you can see, I got this pup clean. I got a cleaner. It's still sticker residue and stuff. I didn't get a lot of it off, but I just gave it a simple wash. It's a lot cleaner than it was, especially down here and things like that. That could be a little cleaner, but you know, I don't got a hose or nothing right now. Just all handwork, little scuffs, stuff like that, but you can see it's definitely a lot cleaner. Redid the grip. You see normal position, so it looked like a normal bike now. All right, lastly, I just took off all the lights and everything that were on it, so it does look a lot more normal now. See, I lowered the seat So this is what it would look like as all stock, besides the wheel strips. I didn't know if I should take them off or not, but I just left them on currently. So looks a lot better though. You see, it's definitely got some wear to it, but that's just from riding the bike. That's literally it. Like I said, also the plane, traveling with the bike, it's shit. These be fucking the bikes up.